Think of division not as a standalone rule, but as multiplication's mirror image. If we say that 6 divided by 3 equals 2, what we are really saying is that there is a specific number which, when multiplied by 3, results in 6. That number is 2. This reverse connection is the foundation of basic arithmetic. Every division problem is essentially a missing value multiplication problem. We are asking, what number times the divisor gives us our starting total? If this relationship ever fails to produce a single clear answer, the entire logical structure of our number system begins to crumble. Now let's try to apply this logic to the number 0. Imagine we want to calculate 10 divided by 0. Following our rule, we are looking for a specific number that, when multiplied by 0, equals 10. But here is the problem. The defining property of 0 is that any number multiplied by it results in 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 million times 0 is 0. There is no value in existence that can be multiplied by 0 to produce 10. The question 10 divided by 0 asks for a result that simply cannot exist within the rules of multiplication. Because no number can satisfy the requirement, the operation reaches a total standstill. You might wonder if dividing 0 by 0 solves the issue, since 0 times anything is 0. However, this actually makes the problem much worse. If 0 divided by 0 equals some value, then that value times 0 must equal 0. The trouble is that this is true for every single number. 0 divided by 0 could be 5, or it could be negative 100, or it could be pi. In mathematics, we need operations to have a single, predictable result. If an expression can represent every number simultaneously, it becomes useless for calculations. It doesn't just fail to give an answer, it provides too many answers, which destroys the consistency we rely on to solve equations. Some people suggest that the answer should simply be infinity, because as you divide 10 by smaller and smaller numbers, the result gets larger and larger. For example, 10 divided by 1/10 is 100, and 10 divided by 1,000th is 10,000. As the divisor shrinks toward 0, the result explodes toward infinity. But there is a catch. If you approach 0 from the negative side using tiny negative numbers, the result explodes toward negative infinity. Since these two directions don't meet at a single point, we can't assign a definitive value. This is why mathematicians label division by 0 as undefined. It isn't just a difficult puzzle, it is a logical dead end that, if allowed, would let us prove that 1 equals 2, effectively breaking math entirely.